Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn class 6 social science civics chapter 1 understanding diversity. Previous we have learned the definition of diversity, now we are going to learn what do you understand by diversity. Students, when we are sitting in the class, our friends also available and they have different phrases. There are different phrases also available. Your teachers also different. Gujarati teacher, Hindi teacher, Arabic teacher, science teacher, maths teacher, social science teacher are also different. We can't see same faces. There are differences. When we are reading in the class, there are differences. Some students speaks slowly, some speaks high, loudly. Some students are fat in the class, some are thin. So all the peoples and students are differences. They have different faces. These differences we are calling diversity. So understood, my students? What do you understand by diversity? Clear? This is simple concept. There are different religions people also available. Different languages also available. So these are making a diversity. Here gives 3 pictures. Students, you make a picture like this. Draw your own human figure. You can make your own human figure. When you will make your own human figure, there will be difference. Is your drawing to any of the other? It is. If it is different, it is because each one of us has a unique drawing style. All people have a unique drawing style. Now, what do you understand? What do you understand about diversity? Every people have individual unique and all people together make a society. It's called diversity. Similarly, we are living in a diverse society. Diverse society means different types of people living in the society. So this is the example of diversity. What differences we can see in diverse society? We wear different clothes. We can see not every person wearing a frock or jeans or trouser, etc. In this society, people also wearing a different types of clothes. Men, women and children also wearing a different types of clothes. Speak different languages. Students, In Gujarat states, people also speak Gujarati language. In Maharashtra, Maratha. In which region? People use different types of languages. Now, belong to different cultural background. Cultural means we can pray, activity, festival celebration, marriages. So it's a differences. Cultural means Sanskruti. Religions, there are different religions, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, also available here. Regions also differences. Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi. Some people also live in Gujarat, some lives in Delhi, some lives in Punjab, some lives in Tamil Nadu. So there are differences. So we can see a lot of diverse in a society. So we are saying similarly we are living in a diverse society. Now clear, my students? So my students, what is diversity? We can learn in this topic. What we are going to study in this chapter? In this chapter, the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do. We can understand about the story. Next topic, what does diversity add to our lives? We will learn diversity is how useful to us. It's good for us or bad for us. So diversity is right or wrong? We will learn. Next, diversity in India. We will learn diversity in India with the two types of example, Ladakh and Kerala. We will compare this. And then unity in diversity. We will discuss about this term, university in diversity. And then we will do exercise work. So in the whole chapter, we will discuss about these points. Students, we have learned the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do. Now I am continuing this. Next day, he was there again, smiling at me and holding out a Hindi paper. भैया, he said, आपका अखबार. अब बताए ये सब्जेक्ट क्या चीज है? The English word sounded strange on his tongue. कुछ डिफरेंस ही लग रहा था उनकी जबान से. It sounded like its utter meaning in English to be ruled by someone else. Oh, it's just something to study, I said. And then because the red light had come on, I asked him, have you ever been to school? Never, he answered. And he added proudly, I began working when I was so high, I measured himself against my cycle seat. First, my mother used to come with me, but I can do it all alone. Both boys are discussing on the क्रॉसिंग. जो साइकिल पर बॉयज है वो जो न्यूज़पेपर सेल कर रहा है उसके साथ बात कर रहा है कि तुम ये कब से कर रहे हो, कब से न्यूज़पेपर सेल कर रहे हो. तो वो लड़का जवाब देता है कि बचपन से मैं ये सेल कर रहा हूँ। पहले मेरी मम्मी के साथ में आता था, अब मैं अकेले ही बेच लेता हूँ। लेकिन माँ अब मेरठ में है और ऐसे ही ग्रीन लाइट चालू हो जाती है, तो दोनों में कम्युनिकेशन कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाता है। नेक्स्ट डे अगेन दे मीट्स। नेक्स्ट डे they bought meat and said, "What is your name?" "My name is Samir." Samir ek. Newspaper seller boys said about this. A student who sit on the bicycle said, "What is your name?" Newspaper seller boy also said, "My name is Samir." Both are happy. Who are sit on the bicycle? Samir ek said, who is a newspaper seller. And newspaper seller Samir do. Both are discussing about his name. Samir ek is a Hindu and Samir do is a Muslim. Next day they meets again. He did not have his usual smile for me. There is trouble in Meerut. He said many people are being killed there in the riots. I looked at the headlines, communal riots. It blazed, but Samir, I am a Muslim, Samir, he said in answer, and all my people are in Meerut. His eyes filled with tears. And when I touched his shoulder, he would not look up. He was not at crossing the day after, neither day after, nor ever again. And no newspaper in English or Hindi can tell me where my Samir do has gone. So here is the story. Now we relate to diversity. Samir ek goes to school. Samir do does not go to school. So this is a diversity. Samir ek was a rich. Samir do was a poor. Samir ek Hindu. Samir do Muslim. Samir ek knows English and Hindi. Samir do knows Hindi only. So this is the story we have learned about diversity. Understood, my student? We can learn Samir ek and Samir do have many differences. Differences का मतलब ये है यहाँ पर कि कोई अमीर है, कोई गरीब है, किसी को पढ़ना आता है, किसी को पढ़ना नहीं आता है. So these differences are the reason for inequality. And inequality comes about when a person does not have the resources, opportunities that are available to other people. इनइक्वालिटी का मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर किसी को इंसान के पास पैसा है, दूसरा इंसान होता है उसके पास नहीं होता है, कोई अमीर होता है, कोई गरीब होता है, कोई पढ़ा हुआ होता है, कोई अनपढ़ होता है. ये स्टोरी से हमारी समझ में क्या आया? ये स्टोरी से हमारी समझ में ये आ रहा है कि समीर एक जो था उसके पास पैसा था, समीर दो के पास पैसा नहीं था. समीर एक अमीर था, समीर दो गरीब था. समीर 1 के पास पैसा होने की वजह से वो अच्छी तरह से पढ़ पाया। समीर 2 के पास पैसा नहीं होने की वजह से वो पढ़ नहीं पाया। इसलिए समीर 1 और समीर 2 के बीच में जो है हुआ वो इसको हम इनइक्वालिटी भी बोल सकते हैं। नाउ सेकंड कास्ट सिस्टम इज अनदर एग्जाम्पल और inequality. Another example we are seeing about this caste system is another example of inequality. We are seeing about the pictures. At that time in the caste system, the upper caste people don't touch to the lower caste people. We can see the pictures also. What we can learn about this story? We can learn about the story. We can respect all the castes people. We are similar, poor and rich people. So here we can learn about the story of समीर 1 and समीर 2. ये स्टोरी से हमें सीखना क्या मिलता है? We can learn, हमने ये यहाँ पे सीख लिया है। अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर What does diversity add to our lives? Diversity in India, Ladakh and Kerala, and unity in diversity we will learn. Okay, my students, now take care.